Okay guys, we're going to go over shoulder mobility today. So having good shoulder mobility is really going to help with our overhead presses, with our bench presses, right? Because if everything's stiff in the shoulder, it's going to be painful. You're more likely to get injured. So we want to have that good mobility. It's actually one of the most mobile joints in the body, right? Because you don't really have anything that's locking into. So not only do we want it to be mobile, but we want it to be stable as well, right? So mobility wise, a good one is just come across the body, right? You can do this with both arms. So we've done this in other videos, right? So coming across, stretching the chest, which is also going to stretch the shoulder, coming back and grabbing the back like so, right? So that's a good quick stretch. Another one, coming up over the body. You're trying to throw something over your head. I'm starting way back here, so I'm getting a good stretch of my bicep tendon, and I'm coming all the way up until I can't go any further, right? So all the way back. I'll actually kind of jump with it, try and get some more momentum with it. Once you've done that, do your forward swim, right? Do like 10, 12 at each side. Go reverse, opposite direction. As I'm doing this, I'm trying to rotate my hand and my arm over, because what's happening is you're rotating the top of the humerus, the upper arm bone, right? As we go through that. So we're coming up, over, we're keeping it close to the body like we have a small, narrow hallway that we're going through, and we're coming right back up, right? So coming up, like so, and then same thing going forward, right? There's other ones we can do with bands, are a great way to do it. I really wouldn't have you do anything that has a lot of resistance to it, such as dumbbells, barbells. You can get like a broomstick, start here, come up over, stretching back behind the back, and going in front of the body, right? That's another great one to do at home, really anywhere. But again, stay away from something that has a lot of weight and force to it, that is pushing on that shoulder. One of the other things you can do, I don't have anything with me now, but if I did, I could grab here and then pull up with it. So kind of like a shrug, right? That's gonna pull down on that. So anything that's, waist level is gonna be good to grab onto and coming over. So it's not so much shoulder per se, it's kind of going in your trapezius muscle, but that will help out as well. As always, we have a full introduction series of motivation, workouts, nutrition, and putting a plan of action together for that success of getting your fitness and health started. It's going to be in the description below. Check it out, and I'll catch you in the next video.